Yep. Ah, frick, he pulled the hook. Oh no, he ain't still there.
Got one?
Yeah, I don't know what he is though. Oh, it's a trout. Sweet. Keeper.
You don't hardly catch any undersize.
I just need to kind of flip them in the bucket here with the bait and then worry about getting the hook out. There we go, Eli. There we go, baby. He's probably 16. Redemption, baby. Eli, that's my bait. Oh yeah, come on, baby, eat them. I got him. Hey, dude, he bit it back to back. Dude, I don't know how he fit this thing. He engulfed